Hello dear student, today I am going to describe the next 15 question from the chapter Introduction to Adobe Photoshop. So, the question number 15, Photoshop can be widely used in which of the following matter? That was the last question of the previous video. I told that the Photoshop can be used in creating graphics, creating magazines, creating websites. So, all of these will be the answer. So this was the last question of the previous video. Now we are going forward. Question number 16. Dash tool let us select a color for setting the foreground and background colors. Options are color shade, color picker, none. Student, color picker is the tool which actually helps us to set the foreground and background color. I'm showing you the picture of the color picker. You can see here that these are the tools, and you can see at the bottom there is color picker tool. In the color picker tool you can see we can set the background color, which is by default white, and foreground color, which is by default black, but here green color is selected. So this is the color picker tool which actually helps us to set the foreground and background color. And student, I can open the Adobe Photoshop software, and you can see also here that in the Adobe Photoshop software you can see that in the tool panel, you can see it is the tool panel. Here you can see the background and foreground color. It is the color picker tool where the background color is by default white and foreground color is by default black. So color picker tool helps us to set the foreground and background color. So now the next question, question number 17, dash allows us to select a portion of an image to work on. The option is selection tool. Selection tool is actually a tool which is used to select a particular portion of an image to work on. And where is the selection tool? Student, you can see this is the selection tool. You can place the mouse cursor. It is showing path selection tool. This is the selection tool. Next question, question number 18, dash allows us to select different portions of an image in a specific shape. The option will be Marquee tool. Marquee tool actually helps us to select different portions of an image with different trigonometrical shapes, like elliptical shape, like rectangular shape, like single row shape, like single column shape, like this. And in the software you can see this is the you can place the mouse pointer, Marquee tool is coming, and if you right click on the Marquee tool, you can see 4 options are coming: rectangular Marquee tool, elliptical Marquee tool, single row Marquee tool, and single column Marquee tool. So this is the Marquee tool by which we can select a portion of an image with a particular trigonometrical shape. Then the next question, question number 19, dash allows us to select different portions of an image by drawing a freehand or a straight edge area. The answer will be lasso tool. Lasso tool is a type of tool which is used to select any portion of an image by just moving the mouse cursor through the edge of the portion. An edge may be uneven area, edge may be uneven line, edge may be curved line, and you can move lasso tool through the uneven surface, uneven edge of the portion of the image, and you can select the particular portion. And where is the lasso tool? Student, you can see this is the lasso tool, and you can see I have just press, you can see here I have right clicked, and you can see lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. 3 types of lasso tools are there in Photoshop. So now question number 19, that is dash 19 is done. Question number 20, which is or are types of Marquee tool? Student, I have already told there are 4 Marquee tool: rectangular Marquee tool, elliptical Marquee tool, single row Marquee tool, and single column Marquee tool. So here I have mentioned rectangular, elliptical, and single row. So all are these the examples and types of Marquee tools. So all of these will be the answer. Question number 21, which is or are types of lasso tool in the following? Student, I have already told there are three kinds of lasso tools: lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. So the answer will be all of these. Question number 22. Dash allows us to select those areas of an image which is similar color. Student, the answer will be magic wand tool. Suppose in Photoshop you have brought a flower picture, and in each petal of the flower different color is there. Magic wand tool actually helps to select a portion of an image which has similar color. So the answer will be magic wand tool. Question number 23. Dash is used to make quick selections over an image. That means one tool is there that helps you to quickly select one or multiple portions of an image, and that is quick selection tool. In the option you have selection tool, color picker tool, quick selection tool, lasso tool. Selection tool also can select a portion of an image, but not quickly, not very fast. So the quick selection tool will be the answer. Question number 24. Dash is used to discard portions of an image that are not required. Student, the answer will be crop tool, because crop tool helps us to cut the unwanted part of an image, and we can keep the required part of an image. And where is crop tool? If you go to the software, you can see there is crop tool. I have placed the mouse pointer of the crop tool. The crop tool is coming. You can see the crop tool. Okay, so this is the crop tool. Now the next question. Dash is used to drag a selected part of an image to a new location in the image. The option will be move tool. Student, move tool is a type of tool which helps you to move, to drag a cut portion of an image from one place to the another place in the image, and also from that particular image to the another image you can move the cut portion. So move tool will be the answer. Question number 26. Which of the following is drawing tool in Photoshop? Student, shape tool, custom shape tool, both are drawing tools of Photoshop. So the answer will be C, both A and B. Question number 27. Which of the following is painting tool in Photoshop? Student, there are multiple painting tools available in the Photoshop, and these are brush tool, gradient tool, color replacement tool. So all of these will be the answer. Question number 28. Dash lets us draw a variety of preset shapes such as flower and grid. So student, the answer will be shape tool or custom shape tool or gradient or none. The answer will be custom shape tool. Custom shape tool helps us to make any type of shape, maybe a flower shape, maybe a particular geometrical shape, any type of shape we can create with the help of custom shape tool. Question number 29. Dash can be used to create a soft strokes of color in one image. The answer will be brush tool. Student, through using brush tool we can use the thick brush, the thin brush, and we can move the brush on the image, and we can select the particular color for the brush, and we can select the thin or thick brush. When we will be using thin or thick brush with a particular color, the color shade can be drawn, can be painted on the image. So the answer will be brush tool. Question number 30. That is the last but not the least question. Dash is used to fill selected areas with blend of multiple colors. Student, gradient tool is a type of tool where you will find multiple shapes, multiple types of different colors. So the answer will be gradient tool. And student, in the software also you can see that this is the quick selection tool. You can see the quick selection tool is coming, and clone stamp tool is there also, and you can see blur tool is there, erase tool is there, brush tool is there. You can see the brush tool. This is the brush tool. If you right click, you can see brush tool, pencil tool, and color replacement tool. Many tools are there. So this is the software, and we have completed 30 questions